Bonjour. So, very good morning to all of you children. Students, today we are going to write some points about culture and civilization of France. Okay, as you can see in each chapter, in after every chapter, at the end of that chapter, you may get some information regarding France. Okay, like in this chapter number 1, you can see there are two flags, Indian flag and French flag. So you can see what kind of flag is this. Okay, French flag is also having three colors, blue, white and red. Okay, then France is famous for these things. Okay, fashion, perfume, wine, cheese. Okay, and what are the French name of these things? Then France is also a fashion capital of the world. Okay, now if you turn these pages, then in chapter number 3 you will get some more information, like French people write their surname in capital letter. French breads are famous in the entire world. In France, people give tip even to the taxi driver and gatekeepers of the cinema hall. Okay, so these are some more points. After that, in numbers chapter, okay, you will get this information. Okay, Paris is the capital of France, that you already know. Now France is surrounded by 6 countries, but it is wrong information. It is actually surrounded by 8 countries. And the neighboring countries, how many neighboring countries are there? 9 neighboring countries, okay, including England. But England doesn't touch its border with France because of the sea. Okay, the Atlantic Sea, or you can say a channel is there, English channel is there, that comes in between France and England. Okay, now the name given in French also. Then there are 5 main rivers of France. So these are the name: Le Rhône, la Garonne, la Seine, la Loire, la Rhine. Okay, these are the name of the things. Then after this, in chapter number 6 that we are currently doing, in chapter number 6 you will get some more information. So here are the information about the bread. Okay, as you know that French bread is famous worldwide. Okay, so the long French bread is known as baguette. This is a shape of a bread. Okay, then croissant is another kind of bread having the shape of crescent. This, okay, it's like a moon shape. Then French people take café and croissant for breakfast. Café means coffee, so they prefer to take coffee and croissant for their breakfast. Okay, now the national festival in France celebrate in 14th July. Okay, they celebrate 14th July as their national festival. So these are the few points that I have written together. So there are around 15 points. Some points have not given in your book, that also I have added here. So I am going to share this work with you today. So you have to write down. Okay, what is this? Now culture and civilization part 1 you will write. So the Paris is the capital of France, and you may know that it is also known as the city of lights. Okay, the first street lights introduced in Paris only. Okay, so it is also known as La Ville Lumière, the city of lights. Then it is a fashion capital. France is famous for, I have written the things. French flag has 3 colors. Football is the national game of France. Okay, and this is again the point I have taken from your book. See, I have written the main rivers, and there are 9 neighboring countries of France. Out of them, 8 surrounded by France. Okay, share its border with France. Only L'Angleterre, that is England, not surrounded by France. That border doesn't touch. Okay, then France celebrates its national day on 14th July. Okay, then this I have already taken from your book. Okay, now euro is the currency of France, and the national symbol of France. Okay, the national symbol of France is a Gallic rooster. Gallic rooster you may know of France. Okay, Gallic rooster आपने देखा होगा, बड़ा सा एक you can say cock hota hai. Okay, rooster. So you can just search on net, le coq Gaulois, le coq Gaulois. Okay, so it is the national symbol of France. So that's it for today. You just have to note it down these points in your copy, because these points will come in your term 1 exams. Okay, so that's it for today. I can show you one map also. You are having map also, like here you can see a map given in your book. Okay, this is the map of France. So you can see the neighboring countries. See, this is United Kingdom, so this is English Channel, so this is not surrounded by France. Okay, now this is Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy. This is a small country, Monaco. It is looking like a city of France, but it is another country. Then this is Andorra, very small country, and then Spain. Okay, so there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 surrounded countries and 9 neighboring countries. Okay, fine. Fine, children. So that's it for today. See you in the next class. Abhiyanto. Ahava.